Suki, long rides or short rides? You've got only space for 2 saddlebags. What's your go-to?
Le Mini in downtown.
Straight to the point, eh? I would go for the Condor Solo and the quick release.
Okay, let's walk through that. I'll start with this. I'd use the Ranger saddlebags extensively. This was a precursor model for the Le and was part of the first set of products we launched back in 2012. Coming to the Le Mini, I'd used it on a recent ride to Goa and it hit the mark for me.
You've been using that one for a while now.
Yeah, 52-liter capacity, fully waterproof inner liner, external rain covers, roll top closure, molly loops let me strap on anything extra, plenty sufficient for me.
And the Mini is a smaller version of the full-size Le?
Same DNA, just scaled down to help you pack better, and that's why it works for me.
On the other hand, I like having a bit more quick access and shape for the exhaust. On my last ride to Gujarat, the Condor Solo made a lot of sense.
Zip top, right? Definitely enables quicker access compared to a roll top like the Le Mini.
Yeah, 42 liters combined capacity, full zip access, mesh net on top, waterproof thanks to the inner liners, and a solid external rain cover. I like being able to use internal organizers like the shoe pouch, tool rolls, documents, essentials, quick to grab.
If it helps you ride better, it works.
Alright, let's shift gears. Short rides, city runs, what's in your setup?
Downtown, 19-liter capacity per side. I use it on the Speed 400, perfectly gels with the neo-retro look, and I use one side only to carry my office gear. It doesn't look or feel like touring gear, and that's the point.
Stripped down utility.
Roll top, foam padded for structure, integrated waterproofing, it's compact, easy to carry, and it helps me blend in with the office look when off the bike.
I get that. For me, the quick release is the definition of plug and play. Traveling between home, work, meetings, and the factory, I'm on and off the bike multiple times. It makes that effortless.
More EDC?
Absolutely. 15-liter capacity per side, opens up fully with restricted to avoid spillage, laptop pocket, an organizer located at the center of the bag, and fully external rain cover. You can carry it as a shoulder bag or just grab the handle, super useful for everyday usage.
Each one does a job, but only if you know what you're actually packing for.
Exactly. Whether you're riding 1,000 kilometers or just heading across town, there's a ViaTerra saddlebag that fits that ride.
Genuine materials, built to spec, what we say is what you get.
Function first, always designed with riders in mind.
That's ViaTerra, designed for the ride.
If this helped, give it a like.
Share it with someone still overpacking or strapping a backpack onto their bike.
And subscribe for all things motorcycling. Thank you for watching.